Hi guys! Today I'm going to be showing you how I created this swipe. To create the cells that you'll see forming during the swipe, I'm adding 1 drop of silicone oil to each of the base paint colors and giving them a quick stir. Each of the base paint colors is mixed in my typical swipe ratio of 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 1 part water, plus that 1 drop of silicone oil that you saw me add. For the swipe, I'm using Ivory Black paint that's mixed 4 parts paint to 8 parts Floetrol to 3 parts water. This paint is a thinner consistency than the paint already on the canvas, and it doesn't contain any silicone oil. The Liquitex Basics Gold paint that I used today ends up looking a lot more subtle than the Deco Art 24 karat gold, which I used in video 108. So if you prefer a more subtle gold look, the Liquitex Basics Gold would be the way to go. Anyway, thanks for joining me. If you'd like to see more tutorials like this, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and I look forward to seeing you again next time.